Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Market research falls into two categories, primary and secondary research. Primary market research consists of gathering information directly from people through a variety of means. Secondary market research consists of examining existing research through reports. Primary market research can be done in the following ways: interviews, talking with people directly about their experience; focus groups, gathering a group of people together and asking for their opinions; and surveys, sending out a list of questions for people to answer; observation, watching what people are doing. Secondary market research can be done in the following ways: industry analyst reports, reports written about an industry segment; studies, research reports written on a specific topic; and market reports, reports written about a specific market segment. Primary research yields greater detailed information than secondary research. It is useful for answering specific questions. Secondary research can be reviewed more quickly and at a lower cost. It is useful for identifying the key questions to ask. Consider using both primary and secondary market research in your project. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.